Our cheapest Golf GTI is here. This is the 2026 VW Golf GTI S with no additional options. Standard from the factory, this is how it comes. You're just paying for maintenance up front. That is it. That is it. This is what we're talking about when it comes to starting off in this brand new hatchback for the 2026 model year. We need to talk about this. We need to go over what it comes with standard from the factory and why you guys are gonna love saving money on this GTI S. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where it's not too often we get such affordable GTIs on the channel. Yes, when we talk about this Golf, this is the GTI S, which is the entry-level model. But this model here, as you see it, is standard from factory. There's one thing in the option box, and that is your VW prepaid scheduled maintenance contract. That's just your maintenance that you would normally get. It's just prepaid into your loan. That means everything you see here is standard. This is the cheapest GTI S you guys are gonna see when it comes to the 2026 model year, and this still looks brilliant. So let's go over this thing, options, features, and everything from the factory and see why you guys are gonna love this spec of the GTI S. Now, big shout out to Volkswagen Brennan in Florida for letting me take a spin around this GTI S. Now, we know the economy is rough and gas prices are high. So we wanna support you guys like you guys support us. So when you guys come and shop with Volkswagen Brennan in Florida and use coupon codes, either Ron's Rides or Ron's Rebates with your sales specialist or sales manager, you will save $500. Yes, they will give you $500 off your next Volkswagen Brennan vehicle. Just use those coupon codes, and we want to support you guys like you guys support us. It's done. Now let's talk about the performance of the GTI SE, because we get this turbocharged intercooled 16-valve inline-4 engine with an iron block, aluminum head, and direct fuel injection, pumping out 241 horses and 273 pound-feet of torque. Now when you pair it up with that overall 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, that's going to rocket you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds. Your 0 to 100 mile per hour time, 14.2 seconds. Quarter mile time, 14.2 seconds. 0 to 120 in around 21.5 seconds. And your top speed, well, that's going to be around 129 miles per hour. Now, when we mention dimensions on this Golf GTI S, we're looking at an overall wheelbase of 103.6 inches. We also have a length at 168.9 inches. We have a width at 70.4 inches, and we have a height at 57.7 inches with an overall curb weight of around 3,290 pounds. Now, slate blue looks so brilliant with this GTI spec because of the contrast that we're working with here today. And keep in mind, again, this is all standard. Nothing I mentioned here has been added to this car. All right, so it is straight from the factory with this beautiful paint. As you guys will see, the Florida sun is doing a great job assisting me showing it off. VW logo, this illuminates, all right? This shines. We'll have this illuminated very shortly with the GTI moniker giving us gloss black and red when it comes to our strike through in the center part of the grille. And then you guys will see the LED light bar, again, standard, that illuminates and goes right into those headlights. So you guys will see, we do have the switchback turn indicators between bright white and amber with the red stripe through going all the way across. We'll have this illuminated very shortly for you guys as well. Of course, the GTI badge, because you guys know what we're working with here today. Then we come back to slate blue. Now we come down to the side where we do have the plastic cladding insert, but we also have the slate blue coming across and that kind of claw-like design there as well, with our integrated fog lamps right in the plastic cladding of this grille here, which we'll have illuminated shortly with the integrated sensors right here and here. And you also have the functional feed through here as well with, yes, that slate blue front lip. Bringing it all together, again, a standard look when it comes to this GTI SE. And when it comes to the side profile, this GTI S is still putting in the work, even being standard from the factory. We're talking about things like VAQ limited slip front differential lock, XDS cross differential system. We also have the variable ratio electromechanical power steering and vented front and rear disc brakes. Of course, with the 18-inch alloy wheels, looking brilliant with that bicolor finish, VW logo, and red calipers. And then you have the Pirelli tires, yes, the P0 all seasons to wrap it all together. Now you will also see the amber reflector in the wheel well there. side skirt, we get the plastic cladding there too, all right, protecting the paint with the GTI moniker right there on the front door. And then we have also the slate blue mirror cap, the slate blue door handles with the rubber moldings on the windows, B-pillar done in gloss black, and then we have the slate blue roof with the gloss black shark fin antenna, slate blue when it comes to the spoiler, and then gloss black when it comes to the side blades there. Again, the side profile is no slouch when it comes to looks and performance on this GTIS. Now the rear profile looks just as good as always. I mean, come on, check it out. Sporty looks, sloping roofline when it comes to this hot hatch. It is brilliant. You start off with the integrated third brake light here and that slate blue spoiler, and then you get down to the VW logo with the GTI badging done in red and chrome. The contrast there is just so brilliant. You also see the red housing when it comes to the lighting with the clear here for the turn indicator there. All right, we'll have that illuminated shortly. Integrated sensors on the lower half of the bumper with a reflector here as well, done horizontally. We have the plastic cladding when it comes to the rear diffuser. And of course, you already heard these scream. These are the oval chrome exhaust tips, dual exhaust, because, you know, why not? So bringing it all together, thoughts when it comes to the rear profile of this GTIS. So when it comes to cargo space for the GTI, well, we start off with a pretty big opening when it comes to the tailgate. And we have 20 cubic feet of space to start. We have a privacy shade here as well that's easily removed, and a 60-40 split when it comes to the rear fold with the center feed through. Fold that down, then you get 35 cubic feet of space. Now we also have our mats here as well, all right, cloth with the red stitching, looking brilliant. We have cargo on the side here as well when it comes to extra storage. And then we have our 12 volt right up here as well with our LED light right there too. Pause forward will give us our spare tire and tools to get us back on the road as quickly and as safely as possible in this GTIS. And when it comes to fuel economy, 27, 24, 32. That means 27 combined city and highway, 24 for the city, 32 for the highway, and regular fuel can go inside of this GTIS. So let's check out the illumination when it comes to this slate blue GTIS. Brilliant standard with this beautiful VW logo illuminated with the LED light bar going right into the switchback turn indicator between bright white and amber. We have our low beams there because if we have our high beams on, we won't get these beautiful fog lamps that are integrated into the grille. And then you will also see we do have the turn indicator done in amber there as well with the LED tail lamps, the turn indicator done in amber with those LEDs done in red. What do you guys think? The lighting signature of the slate blue GTIS. So we get 51 cubic feet in one of the cooler interiors of the Golf GTI, even though it's standard. We're talking about the black and plaid cloth interior. I mean, this is an iconic interior when it comes to the Golf. You guys will see the GTI badging stitched in red with the red backing there as well, and also the red stitching with that plaid cloth all throughout. Nice soft touches here as well. It's a brilliant seat, all right? So this is also a heated seat, so you get some of that as well. Now, coming over to the door paneling here, again, standard, we have the soft touch injection molded plastic. We have our checkered pattern for the bezel, aluminum for the door handle locks there as well. We do have soft touches right here on the door cards, which are really nice, and then the soft touches right here as well on the armrest, all right? So that feels very premium when it comes to the standard model. Mirror controls, window controls, felted lining when it comes to the stowage and speaker grille there. You can see the slate blue right there. We do have the aluminum depth pedal, brake pedal, and gas pedal with the rubber grippies. Again, standard. And then we close it up. 3-spoke flat bottom steering wheel that you guys know and love with perforation on each side and red stitching all throughout. Silver with the red, black, and GTI logo. Front and center with the airbag done with the VW logo. We do have a manual adjust telescopic steering wheel so we can lock it into place. Paddle shifters mounted to the back of the steering wheel so you always know where they are when you want to do your shifting. And then we also have our high beam light controls with our turn indicators and our wipers on this side here. We do have radio controls on the lower half with cruise control on the left-hand side. Radio controls here as well with heated steering wheel, hand-free voice controls, and we have view between our different views when it comes to our digital instrumentation. So we can go between full nav, or not full nav, the nav there as well, GTI, this screen here, and this screen here. So we have 4 different screens. Now, of course, the GTI one is specific to the GTI. You can also change what's on the left-hand side when we want to go to things like performance. And on the right-hand side, we can go to things like our G meter and it's all there as well, all right? So customize it how you like. We do have a soft touch when it comes to the dash here as well. Speaker grille here, speaker grille in the A-pillar, dark A-pillar and headliner with the gloss black bezel here that will give us our low beam light controls and our fog lamps with our max front and rear when it comes to our HVAC, and that checkered pattern right there on the dash with the HVAC vents with the 3-bar setup there as well. Now you also see that now come over here, you also will see we have our 14-inch screen. 12.9. Now come to the infotainment, 12.9-inch screen. As you guys see, this is our newer system when it comes to the Volkswagen system on the software, where it's very intuitive, very driver responsive, all right, user friendly. There's not a big learning curve here. You guys are gonna get in this and know how to work it just as well as I'm doing right now, just by going through the different menus and the different buttons here. All kinds of things here, especially your favorites, which is really cool. You can set up as well. And again, notifications, things like that. If I drag, if I drag down like that, all right. It's a cool system. You guys are gonna love it. Now, you also see lower, we have the mounted or fixed to the screen, the HVAC controls here when it comes to the climatronic system with our dual zone climate, but we can also do our climate menu here as well, bring up the full menu. Now, with that, you also see we have our fixed climate control bars here as well when it comes to our temperature, on both sides, and our radio controls when it comes to our volume here, and also turn off the screen. Come across with that checkered pattern when it comes to the dash here, and you also see the 3-bar layout with the glove box there as well. And then we have some buttons here when it comes to our driver assistance, where we can bring that up. All right, we also have our parking menu here, bring up our backup camera. We can also do that once we go into reverse. You'll also see our hazard buttons here with our drive mode selector between Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Custom. Now with that, you will also see climatronic system. Again, we can bring it up with the physical buttons and have that full menu. Now we also have a nice central tunnel here as well, gloss black uppers, USB-C plugins here as well with the wireless phone charging pad. You'll also see we do have our gear selector between drive, drive sport, neutral, and reverse, bringing up that backup camera again as mentioned. P for park with our engine start-stop button here. Our electronic parking brake there as well. Good for stowage here. I'm using my phone. And then we have our cup holders, 12 volt, and our key fob, premium key fob with gloss black, VW logo, chrome on the outers, physical key fob down here as well, just in case key fob battery dies. We have our panic button, lock, trunk release, and unlock here as well. Nice armrest with the red stitching. Open that up, extra storage there as well. Look up top, we do have our rear view mirror. And then up top, we do also have our dome lights, SOS, settings, everything like that when it comes to information. We do have a visor, mirror, and light for the driver and for the passenger. Again, this is standard when it comes to the GTI S in 2026. What do you guys think about this overall livery and everything that you guys get here today? 43 cubic feet of space when it comes to your rear seat passengers, and we get the same cloth and black with the red stitching when it comes to the seating arrangement. Super comfy. You can hop inside, you see that you got some space back here, knee wiggle room back here as well, stowage on the backrest, and you have the partition storage up top, and that's the same on the driver and passenger side. We also have our USB-C plugins right down there with our HVAC vents here, and then we do also have an armrest here with our cup holders integrated in, LED when it comes to your dome lights, and then when it comes to the overall setup on the door, all done in black with the aluminum door handle, the soft touches again on the door cards and on the armrest here as well, with your window controls, felted liner when it comes to your stowage, and speaker grille there. Again, all standard on this GTI S. So now we need to talk about the sticker breakdown and why this is such an affordable 2026 Golf GTI S. Because we start off with slate blue metallic paint and Titan black and plaid cloth interior with the 7-speed DSG automatic front wheel drive transmission, giving us life at $34,590. Now, after our prepaid scheduled maintenance contract and $1,275 destination charge, we're looking at a total price of $36,090. That's it. How did we get there? Slate blue paint, free. Titan black and plaid cloth interior, free. Your prepaid scheduled maintenance contract, which I talked about, $225. That's it. That's the only thing there. All right. That's your option. All right. I mean, but it is just your maintenance contract you would pay for regardless. So everything you see, performance, exterior, interior, technology and convenience, safety, and driver assistance, all here standard. Make sure you guys pause, zoom in, screenshot, do whatever you guys need to do to see everything here. Check the link in the description below for Volkswagen Brandon's website link for the full sticker breakdown, like the warranty information at 4 years, 50,000 miles. Let me know what you guys think. Affordable for the GTIS? Let me know. So at a price of $36,090 being our most affordable spec when it comes to the GTIS, what do you guys think about this coming straight from the factory? Are you guys loving everything you get without adding in additional options? With that said, let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, of course, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below for Volkswagen brand's website link and their phone number. Guys, check out the inventory, give them a call, use those coupon codes, Ron's Rise or Ron's Rebates, $500 off. Make sure you guys also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.